Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide profile card Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to hide profile card Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To hide profile card, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Privacy menu. This is already in the Privacy menu. Scroll down to find the Your Profile menu. Tap the Manage Profile menu. Now the Your Profile menu will appear. Tap on the right side of your account. And options will appear. Tap Hide. Hiding the profile card from view, so that profile information is not visible to other users, is useful for maintaining privacy or reducing interference. So that's it. Tutorial how to hide profile card Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.